What's going on, guys? We're going to do a quick little look at Tesla. So Tesla last 2 days, today pretty much flat, right? Only down $3 on the day. Yesterday we were only up about 18 handles, so pretty flat on the day, for Tesla. But here's the thing that I want to point out to you guys: we are still holding the previous day's low. Yes, I know we are trading sideways. The price action hasn't been the best. Maybe intraday you've been getting a little chopped up. That's okay. In times like this, especially the last 2 days, maybe it's time to look away from Tesla, go trade another stock that's coming off the bottom that's being pulled up. A lot of the stocks that, did really, really well the past week and a half, they're just kind of resting. Things like Nvidia resting today, things like AMD resting, things like Amazon resting, Tesla resting. It's not to say that we're going to roll over and go all the way back down to 755, but what it means is the stock is tired. It needs to rest. This is completely healthy and this is completely good for the stock. So still what we want to see, we want to see the little level being broken here. I believe it's going to be 1024, 1025. Yeah, right around this 1023, 1024 area. I have been day trading in and out of Tesla. Was kind of looking for a little bit of a short position today if we were able to take out, kind of these previous days lows, that $1,000 psychological level on Tesla, big level. Even though we did crack it today, there was no follow through, right? So we had buyers step in. They felt very comfortable. Bulls towards the end of the day held this stock over $1,000 and actually pushed it up 10 points, which is very bullish for the stock going into next week. So going into next week, even if we do continue to kind of trade sideways or even have another red day, what I would be looking for is when we do break this 1023, 1024 level, I do want to be a part of this trade through the price target of 1040. I want to test this upper wick here, and I want to see if we're going to be able to break through this level. If Tesla closes over 1040, right, over $1,041, this thing is going to start to move. We have, another supply zone here right around this 1070. You've got more mini supply zones here around 1096. So what I'm saying is, as we break this 1040, you're going to want to be taking profits on the way higher. Now, our bigger macro supply level is going to be 1118. You can see rejection 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, and the only time that we broke above it is kind of like this little head and shoulders pattern, right? So we have our head here, we have a shoulder here, a shoulder here. This is kind of our neckline. And when we did break down below the neckline, we came down to the 200-day moving average. We bounced into the 20. We came down to the 200-day moving average, could not hold on the second attempt. So this second attempt was your flush point here, and you need to be taking profits on the way down. And as we come back into the 200, we quickly close above it. And you can see 1 or 2 days of consolidation here at the 20 before we break down again, more consolidation and test at the 20, kind of weakening this zone. We break down again, hold these prior lows, and then we just go on this absolute monster run here. So I can completely see Tesla, maybe chopping around, maybe even coming a little bit down into the 950s to kind of back test, maybe, right? Kind of seeing this level hold, but this next push through 1023, 1024, I want to be a part of that move. This is the move that we need to keep on watch. And obviously our rising support is still way down here at 876 at the 20-day moving average. Now, obviously we're going to have the 10 and 20-day, the 5 and 10-day moving average a little bit closer. You can kind of use those as your guides as well. For me, I just like using the 20-day moving average. For me, it's a very strong level of support, a very strong level of resistance. So when those levels do get broken, typically the follow through on those trades is very good. You can see here no confirmation above on the daily close to get long here, but when we do get confirmation on the downside, we are able to get this little bit of flush here. Again, no confirmation to the long side, but we do get a little bit of a flush, and you can see here the last mega move when we finally do close above that daily 20, we go on an absolute ripper. So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. Make sure to leave a comment. Let me know, are you guys holding out Tesla? You guys been day trading it this week? How have you guys been doing with it? Also join the Discord. That link is down in the description box below. Leave me a thumbs up, comment, and I'll see you guys later.